So this is the 300Z with 83,000 miles smoking, which just changed the ECU from one good 300Z to another.
The wires aren't too bad. Mine were all split and fucked up by the time I got to it. A lot of connectors are still screwed. No, he got the old style connectors too. These get really bad. The connectors, they get really corroded. And then the retaining clip is a pain in the ass. Every time I take them out to clean, I always lose the clip. Yeah. But the wires don't look too bad. The PTU looks nice.
Oh, did you do the injectors?
Yes.
How long did it take you?
How long did it take you? To take it out? 2 hours?
2 hours? This thing have to come out?
Yeah. The whole insect. You could drill it out, but then you don't want to drill anything.
Then you have to buy the new gaskets?
Yeah. Hey, did your teacher ever get a new PTU unit? Because I got mine recalled.
Yeah, what's the PTU unit? Where is it?
Power transistor. This sends the spark, the current to the spark plug. I mean, to the coil pack.
Right there?
Yeah, this thing right here. I got mine warranty like last year.
Oh, really?
It was a massive recall on an early 300ZX model.
So what does it do again?
This is responsible for sending power to the coil pack down to the spark plug.
Oh.
Did they kill it or what? If it's defective, does it kill it?
It'll run bad or idle, misfire.
Like us.
Yeah, but mine was like on and off though. But yeah, after I got it replaced, all the misfire went away. Idle better. I felt small because of it, and then I found out that there was a recall, and I went to the Nissan dealership. They ran. Actually, I called them. They ran my business. It was never done.
Whoa.
So I made an appointment to go check it out. But all early models, it was defective.
How long does it take to switch out?
2 seconds. It's just this bracket. Unplug this, unplug that, unbolt this bracket here. You might need to check this hole out, then just switch it out like 20 minutes.
Can you switch this part? He said
Power transistor unit right here.
yeah, let's do it.
And mine's brand spanking new, 1 year old.
Wow, okay.
Yeah, I can't believe a 22-year-old car never brought it back for a factory recall. It was free.
Yeah. I read that online.
Yeah.
But I would imagine my teacher would have did it. Who knows?
I would imagine mine would have did it too, but it didn't. And then I got a free the replacement part.